Hey, today we're going to go over how to draw a Skibidi toilet and a little bit more of a side view. I did another one that was straight on, but this one's going to be a side view of Skibidi toilet. So, follow along. It's a very short lesson and we're going to do it together, alright? So, over here we're going to draw I'm going to draw his eyes in here, so. Curve right there for the eye, upper part of the eye. Line in. Line out. In for the nose. Let's go to the far side eye. It's going to be another arc like that and line right here for the far side eye. Circle, circle. Line over here to kind of show the highlight. Line over here to show a highlight, and I'm going to fill in the rest of the dot of the eye. Like so. Curve. Curve. Gonna go right here. Back of the smile. And I'm gonna draw the smile from here to here. Okay? Smile like so. Downward. And then downward here. Curve. Line across like so. Out over here, down for the side of the face. Go over here, curve for the underside of the face. Right? We could slow down if you want. Let me know. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like Skibidi Toilet. You want more? Absolutely let me know. Let's go to the ear now, right here. It's a C shape. Another kind of curved shape on the inside of that ear, and another line right there for the tragus. Side of the head. Down right here for the hairline, and then we're going to connect the hairline right there to the side of the face. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear that. There's like an airplane outside my window. I don't know if you can, if that's loud. So, let's go over here, down, up, and then look, he needs eyebrows. So curve over here, like so. Over here on this side, hair is going to be a little up. Go over here, curve for the back of the head, and it's going to pull down into this hairline. It's gonna, you know, look a little bit more of an attractive version of him, I guess. Line underneath for under the lip. And then we're gonna go over here, back of the, like, kind of around the ear area. We're gonna draw a straight line downward. And then around the, maybe middle of the chin, down right here to show his neck sticking out of the toilet there. Okay. So, line across where his head's sticking out there. Over here, curve, back, right there, almost like, just like a slight curve, like it's like, almost like he's on a carpet, but it's a negative space though. It's in the toilet, and we're gonna close it off here, like so. Draw a little curve right here for the Adam's apple area, and pretty good version of him. Let's go over here for the. So another curve following that edge, and then it's going to do the exact same thing, curve over here. But this one we're going to curve down into the toilet like the bowl underneath. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw something cute, there is an ebook that I created to kind of get you to draw any character cute, and it's all about proportion, right? Why is like something like Mario cute? Why are these things cute? I give you an easy formula that 90% of people use, and it is 100% in an ebook, and it is printable. Like, I made it for print if you wanted to print it. If not, you can just look it on the computer or your phone. And I put it in the description. Okay, anybody can turn anything they want into a cute item. That is, like, how much would you think that was? I used to sell it for like $20 to $30, but now it is free. 100% free because you're watching this video. So it's in the description. I thought making it free was like really important, so go take a look at that. Alrighty. I'm gonna go back here, curve in. You just gotta find it in the description. That's all. That's the hard part. Line down underneath. And curve under here as well. Right on. Back here. So this area right here, I want to make it dark. It's in the toilet bowl right there, so I want to make this dark. So we're gonna fill this in before I forget about it, because I was almost gonna forget about this area. I want to fill that in there. Almost everything in a drawing, you know, if you're not gonna color it, or maybe you'll color it later, you're trying to create your own coloring pages in a way. So it's important to kind of fill in the really dark areas, something like that, like inside the mouth. You know, when somebody like does an expression, it's really important to do that. I think it helps out. It makes it clear. Pull back, up, down for the back of the toilet bowl there. I'm sorry, the back of the lid. Forgive me. Go over here, draw another curved line, but maybe not attached to anything, to kind of show that there's a curvature in that lid. Then let's do the back of the toilet. Pulling up over here a little bit, and we're gonna pull at an angle, maybe back there. There you go. Because it is a box, right? The back there. Let's draw another line down right there for a change. It's changed, like that line not attached to anything shows that it's kind of coming at us, curving inward a little bit. There's a curve in the surface. There's a change in direction, that surface. Down, change in direction, but that one's like more of a solid. It's like literally the lid, so it kind of has to be solid. And maybe you could even draw it up here too. The line right there. And that would kind of do the exact same effect that you want. That's mostly it, honestly. You can draw a little extra stuff right here, like the curvature of the lid right there. Line underneath. Curved line here. Everything else after this would be pretty much extra. Let's draw maybe a line right here for underneath the bowl. But share the video if you liked it, if you thought this was easy to follow. Share it anywhere you can share it with a friend. I want you to there is something I want you to do. I want you to stick around and do another video with me. Okay, stick around. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.